Hello?
Look, get the bird, get the other bird, get the cool bird.
That was the cool bird. He talks. There's more people coming in, so I have to go.
Don't get that close to him, man. Get him out. Hey, John, look at the duck.
There's Duck.
Can I give him some Dippin' Dots or is that
Go, 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 go. Hurry, just dump the whole thing on him.
No!
Who wants in?
That's so... John, throw him in.
Birds and ducks don't mix.
Like that thing with like the turtle and the tortoise where they threw it in. It's not supposed to swim.
These guys up in the
You're
tree
welcome
hiding.
getting shit on by birds and you're not paying for it.
Oh, look at him. That's Riley enough bird. Okay, well, thank you.
The D exhibit.
I'll be getting that later.
What? Oh my god, you're so stupid.
There's a joke.
Yeah, it's an emu. Aren't they so cool?
I haven't even seen it yet.
Look at his hair. Oh my god.
Looks like me. They're stylish folk.
Emu.
Would you like Dippin' Dots? He's got some raggy ass
D'Angelo
hair.
Reynolds.
The Weeknd in 2017.
Coachella.
Oh, I gotta stop filming so I can eat my ice cream. Man, he's fucking creepy. Well, hello there.
He didn't like that you said that. I wish he'd spit on you or some shit.
He is